Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today's Friday, November 21st, and we are looking at forexfactory.com calendar. And what do we got going on today? 8:30. We had a couple of numbers. Actually, we have no numbers at 8:30. We just have some talking heads. FOMC member Barr speaking and FOMC member Moran speaking. At 8:45, we have FOMC member Jefferson speaking. And at 9 a.m., we have FOMC member Logan speaking. So we have a parade of talking heads. They're not going to really shed any light on anything. So I don't know. It is what it is. At 9:45, we have two red items, Flash Services PMI and Flash Services PMI. At 10 a.m., we have a orange item, which is medium impact, revised University of Michigan sentiment. Also have final wholesale inventories month over month and revised University of Michigan inflation expectations at 10 a.m. And that's it for the day. After a wild day yesterday, we can't say that was wild. We had a big gap up and we had a big moving. It was just moving up, touched the 20-day moving average, and then really very aggressively, violently, could even say, reversed and closed near the low on heavy volume. So what does that mean? Well, anytime we get a reversal candle with a tail or a wick at the top or the bottom, it shows rejection, price rejection, and the market said, no, you're not going up anymore. We're going back down. That's usually a sign that, every time you have a big wick candle, usually it moves up. There we have a big wick and it moved up. Here we have a big wick candle and it's probably going to move down. So we'll see. That being said, we're gapping up as we speak. We're currently about 65.90. 350. Where's the next little area? So we're right at the low from Tuesday. So yeah, and it's also a similar spot. But if we can get above that, I think we could easily go back to this high volume node at 66.69. 6,700 will be a big number to watch for today, as well as 6,500. 6,500 would be another big number. It's going to probably rotate around 6,600 for most of the day. That's my guesstimation. On the downside, we break the low, overnight low of 65.24. Come down to that low volume node. That's just at 6,400. Get down below that, it gets sort of ugly. So moving on, looking at the inventory from yesterday. You can see this giant move to the upside, and then it just crashed out big time from about 11 o'clock on. The inventory was a mirror image, so those are correlated. That's the way it's supposed to be. Ugly day, negative 27,000 contracts. Really ugly. Does not bode well for going into a Friday. We'll have to just wait and see what happens. But looking at the overnight action, 74 points. So that, again, is way above average. It is the volatility is here to stay. Yeah. So where do we have intraday support and resistance? Well, we've got some resistance at 66.11, 66.20, 66.50. On the bottom side, where do we have support? There's a little area of support around 65.60, some confluence around 65.51, some more confluence around 65.34, around the low 65.23, 65.10, 6,500 are your support areas for today. Stock Traders Almanac 66.7. 66.7 is the percentage that the market could go up or has gone up in the past on this day. 66.7 from the Stock Traders Almanac. Hope you have a great weekend, and I'll see you Monday morning. Happy trading. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com.